Good evening, my dear friends. This is Tomal here. Welcome to PRCUMP. The official website is prccump.org.in. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding address not found, a particular service of the mail delivery system. How is it? Like if you say I'm sending an email address to myself. Hmm. And then I'm writing the subject as like this and then test here, and I'm sending to this particular email address. Now what happens, see, it's up, yeah, see this mail to me, that address not found. Why this happens? This happens if you in case wrongly typed your email address. See, I have written DASTAM. I have not written A, like my name is Tamal, so email address is dastamal6 tamal6 at gmail.com. So this is the reason. Now if you anyway, if you want to give send an email to anyone whose email address you know, but somehow you type, if you tally this one with that particular email address, means proper email address, then you can easily find out where you have make the mistake. So this is all about the delivery system, and this is the main advantage, that it helps you to find out the error where was the mistaken. So this is all about the session. Thank you for being with us. And we guys used to provide govt certificate course on computer, provide technical course on C++, VB, Java, um, provide maintenance on computers, sell dry fruits, provide designing banners, flags, posters. And the last one is the service we started, a new service is a placement service. Its name is MAMATA Placement Service. Call is same, 8420879158. Email is customer6@gmail.com. Please, if you have any request, you can call or WhatsApp at that number. Thank you for being with us, and stay for more updates. Thank you.